Welcome back, children. It's Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Miss back to your English class for Standard 6th. In the last class, I had asked you a few questions that have been answered. Now, let us continue. I want to quit the ICS. In the last class, I had told you that Subhash Chandra Bose, though he studied BA, he wanted to quit the civil service examination and he wanted to join the Indian National Army. Now, I just want to tell you that I'll ask you the question which I want to ask you by of the previous explanation. Who is writing the letter here? Now, Subhash Chandra Bose is writing the letter to Chittaranjan Das. Why is he writing the letter to Chittaranjan Das? Because Subhash Chandra Bose never wanted to work under the British rule. He wanted to resign the ICS and join International Army, and he wanted to know what work Chittaranjan Das is going to give to him when he is going to join Indian National Army. Now, let us go to the first paragraph, that is the beginning of the lesson. Now, the letter is written from Cambridge, that is the Union Society, 16 February 1921. Sir, my name is Subhash Chandra Bose. I am probably a stranger to you, but you will perhaps recognize me if I tell you who I am. I am writing this letter to you on a very important matter. But before I come to business, I must first prove my sincerity. Therefore, I shall first introduce myself. My father, Mr. Jankinath Bose, is a practicing advocate at Cuttack. One of my elder brother, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, is a barrister of Calcutta High Court in 1919. I passed the BA examination and got a first class in honors. Now I'll just tell you the meaning of sincerity, that is the quality of being free from deceit or falsehood. Honors, a specialized university graduate degree. Barrister, a type of lawyer in common law. Now, here the address is given in the right corner, that is, this letter was written on 16 February 1921 to Chittaranjan Das. Now the explanation is Subhash Chandra Bose, he is introducing himself to Chittaranjan Das. What is the reason for him to introduce? Now Subhash Chandra Bose, he is just a stranger to Chittaranjan Das. He wanted to know Chittaranjan Das very well, and so he started introducing himself to Chittaranjan Das. Now Subhash Chandra Bose passed BA examination in 1919 first class. He tells that his father was Jankinath Bose and his brother was Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, who was a barrister of Calcutta, and he was practicing in the High Court. Now let us go to the third paragraph. I arrived here in 1919 in the month of October. I passed the civil service examination in August 1920 and secured the fourth place. In June this year, I shall take the examination in moral science, Trepos. The same month, I shall get the BA degree here. So, here Chittaranjan Das is told that Subhash Chandra Bose will be passing the examination in August 1920. Now the meaning of Tripos is the examination, that is the 3 times he is going to pass the moral science examination. Now that is the set of the examinations for the BA degree at Cambridge University. Now in he now Netaji had arrived in England on October 1919. He passed in August 1920 and he had secured the fourth place. And in the same month, he was going to get the BA degree here. Now, the set of examination for BA degree at Cambridge University is called the BA degree. Now, I'll just ask you a few questions. Please answer it. What was the name of father of Subhash Chandra Bose? Subhash Chandra Bose father name was Jankidas, Mr. Jankidas Bose. Now, the second question is, how did Subhash Chandra Bose introduce himself to Chittaranjan Das? Subhash Chandra Bose introduced to Chittaranjan Das himself as the son of Mr. Jankinath Bose and the brother of Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose. Now I'll continue it in the next part, in the next session and in the next class. Thank you.